So this is our गंगबल ट्रैक। तो यहाँ से हमारा ट्रैक स्टार्ट होगा। Incline, it's too much incline, and this is what we have to travel on. So अभी चलते हैं आगे, देखते हैं। हमारे अंग्रेज दोस्त बैठे हुए हैं यहाँ पे। So you can check. This is initial जो गंगबल का है ट्रैक। It's very hectic. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी कंज्यूम हो जाती है। पहले जो अराउंड 3 से 4 किलोमीटर है। This is the valley, and hey, oh shit, that's what happened. See, the guy fall. So बने रहिए, दिखाते हैं कैसा रहता है, क्या हिसाब रहता है। गंगबल ट्रैक हमारा आज, तो we'll see. Treacherous. This is the trek. So now we're gonna go into the shade. This is shady area. So this is the incline. We're going right from there. Right from that. वहाँ से exactly हम आ रहे हैं। This is the track. So this is where we have trekked after almost 2 hours, maybe 3. So we still have to cross this mountain. Oh. So you see, that is where we were. यहाँ से हम आते हैं ट्रैक करके। आप देख सकते हो मौसम भी थोड़ा ठंडा हो रहा है, so it might rain. So it's 1:45 and we still have not reached our destination, though we have covered, I believe, 40% of the terrain. The terrain is very tough, and if you do not have any good experience, then definitely this is not something that you should do on the first go. तो पहले लाइफ का अगर पहला ट्रैक हो या पहला ऐसा कुछ एडवेंचर हो, I will not recommend this route because it's not for everybody, especially when you are going upslope from this route. So yeah, we'll show you more. So guys, this is Budhshari top, और it's raining हल्के, and we are waiting for our people. So the terrain was too much hectic. तो यहाँ पे आप मैगी भी खा सकते हो, मैगी वगैरह. If anybody wants to eat something, so he can eat. And this is the route that we have to take. And there is another horse. Solia! So it's raining now hard. So we have stopped here. It was raining very bad. We still have to travel a lot. I believe we still have to hike for around 1 hour, maybe 1.5. And this was very treacherous. Oh God, I cannot describe it. It was hell. If I have to simplify it, it was hell. So this is where we are right now, just resting and eating something. So guys, अभी देखो ये हम और ऊपर आ रहे हैं. This is and we are still far, I believe. तो ये पागल हो गए हैं, थोड़ा चिल्ला रहे हैं और I cannot tell you guys, I am so bloody tired. मैं इतना अपनी ज़िंदगी में पूरा कभी टायर्ड नहीं हुआ हूँ जितना मैं आज हुआ हूँ. I do leg press, I do bench press, but this is something very, this is unbelievable, man. This is unbelievable. A very unique and a very thrilling experience. We yet have to reach. I believe we are still 2 kilometers far from Gangbal. And hey, this is one of our friends. This is Rizwan. I am not no beautiful man. No man. I'm hot, man. Beautiful are girls.
What are you?
I'm a guy, man. Guys are hot.
Guys are hot.
Yeah, handsome and hot, boy.
Yeah, that's why you are feeling too cold.
Man, that's why I need something, man, to warm me up.
What do you need? A body?
What can you provide me,
Dead
man?
body.
I need protein.
Protein? What
I
kind
need
of
protein. Hey, for what?
No, I was taking a shortcut.
See, guys. This is another place. Again, as I said, we are still not exactly where we have to go. So guys, finally we have reached to one of the lakes of Gangbal, and I'm gonna show you. It's pretty late, but the phone was switched off. So this is the lake. I'm very sorry I had to shoot it after a lot of time. This is the lake, and the other side lake is after that, and you can check it here. So that is the glacier that's feeding this particular lake. This is the glacier. So this is evening time, so I'll try to make another video in the morning. And this is
Cold now.
so these are the tents here as well, and this is ours. Hey guys, good morning. So we are next day in this lake, and this is the morning scene. So it's pretty sunny, though a bit cloudy, you can see. So that was the mountain yesterday. So this is called Harmukh, and this lake is actually called Nankul. And behind that ridge we have Gangbal. So we stayed here on the night, and रात भर नींद तो नहीं आई पूरी से अच्छे से. मुझे तो ज़्यादा नहीं आई बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी टायर्ड. मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा टायर्ड था एंड माई लेग्स वेर प्रिटी dead. They still are dead. So let's see how do we go back. We might be leaving at around 12. So let's see what happens. So I'll get fresh and we will show you another maybe the lake if possible. Then we might go to that ridge and show you the other lake, but let's see, it depends like how is the condition. So you can see there are again tents and it's a very beautiful place. So clouds are coming, these are our tents. So yeah, you can visit surely, but remember, once you visit, remember that you have to have a lot of stamina and specifically your legs, quads have to be very 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 strong, else बहुत मुश्किल हो जाती है, बहुत ज़्यादा. तो let's see, I will keep you updated. देखते हैं क्या होता है. तो till then I'll get fresh and I'll have my breakfast. Take care buddies. What's up guys? So we are leaving from this place and we're gonna head towards home now. So you can see it's all covered in clouds and you can literally see clouds running. So yeah, it was a very nice and thrilling experience and people are still there and maybe for 3 or 4 days they are staying there. But yeah, we are leaving today and let's see what the road has to offer, the track has to offer now. Take care. So this has finished.
What
These
has
are
finished?
two
We
horses.
all together had a wonderful experience, man.
Yes, now leaving back to home.
Now we are leaving
This
back
is
to
the
home.
place.
It's
And
a
all
bit
covered in
clouds.
cloudy. So yeah, until next time. So guys, this is where we came from and as I said, it's all cloudy and we're going downhill and thrill बहुत अच्छा है. अभी हम वापस जा रहे हैं और बस बकरे, गाय और हम 3 और बादल और कुछ नहीं. So you can see. तो अभी मैं ज़्यादा एग्जॉस्ट तो नहीं है because we started fresh. So let's see where we will reach और क्या होता है. अब बहुत है. GPS is showing around 10 kilometers still. टाइम जो दिखा रहा है that is 5 hours. तो जब आप डिक्लाइन या वापस आते हो तो उस टाइम पे टाइम थोड़ा कम होता है बिकॉज योर पेस इज़ अ बिट फास्ट. इंक्लाइन में थोड़ा बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो जाता है. बट या experience was very nice. So yeah, we'll update you people. See ya. We have stopped here and they are facing some issues and we're here now. It's still covered with fog. You can see it's all foggy. Can't see the way. तो अभी देखते हैं. अभी बहुत है. अभी 2 घंटा लगेगा हमें नीचे नारानाग तक जहाँ से हमने स्टार्ट किया था. So this is just next to army camp and ये आपका पहला स्टॉप आता है. यहाँ पे आपको अपनी आइडेंटिटी एंड ऑल दिखानी पड़ती है, परमिशन एंड ऑल. So yeah, we are taking some rest and let's see. So this is the track going back and it's still foggy. You can See, steep, too much steep. Nazar hati, durghatna ghati. And these are our pro climbers, Rizwan and Umar, walking. ये जो माहौल है इसका, इसमें चलने का या इससे आपको जो एक्सपीरियंस मिलता है, दैट्स टोटली डिफरेंट. यू कैन नॉट कंपेयर इट विद एनीथिंग एल्स. इस चीज़ की वाइब ही अलग है. और ये आप देख सकते हो कि कहाँ से हमें जाना पड़ रहा है. तो आगे की आप सो या this is quite adventurous, and at the same time this is very risky as well. तो बहुत सोच समझ के you have to go with very less pace. आप इस चीज़ में जल्दबाजी नहीं कर सकते हो because it's too much slippery. So I'll just cut the video here because there is a lot of mud here. तो मिलते हैं कुछ टाइम के बाद. So you can check. This is the track. Risky as well as too much endurance. So that is the way where we came from, and you can check. So that goes the track up, and then it goes from there exactly. But you can check. This is a location, and this is something can't be explained in words. इस चीज़ को explain नहीं कर सकते हैं. This is too much beautiful, and this is too much serene. This, guys, see how beautiful it is. These are our people from the trek. This is unbelievable. बहुत ज़्यादा. And this is the track back. अभी और I believe it will take us around 2 hours to reach back to the base. और अभी और 2 घंटे चलना है. Weather was not right. See how the clouds are like running, or whatever you have to say. It started raining very heavily, and somehow we came down from that stretch, and this is what it looks. This is the track, and these are our brave men. Yes. So we'll be going downstairs now, downstream, so you can see. Hata me won my yeli yum khoi. Hashtag na wasun. See kya mana? Inshallah is pa ko asal pait. So this is what it looks. So finally we're almost there. Ab I believe shayad 10 या 15 मिनट का stretch है, and we'll be at the base. But this stretch till now was very treacherous. A lot of mud, slit, and बहुत ज़्यादा risky हो गया था. और अभी हमें और चलना है, अभी बाकी है. I believe शायद it will take us maybe 30-35 minutes. Can be more, but I don't think can be less than that. But 35 minutes will it take for us to reach, I believe, the base. So we are all wet, and हालत बहुत ज़्यादा ख़राब है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा. So मिलते हैं once we'll reach down. So bye. So finally we are at our base. This is Naranag, and this is how the route looks. बहुत ज़्यादा बारिश, बहुत ज़्यादा डर, ऑनेस्टली बहुत ज़्यादा डर भी था, बहुत ज़्यादा हिम्मत और बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट भी थी. Eventually we did it. We are now about to reach to the base. Almost 5.5 घंटे का ट्रैक था हमारा वापसी का डाउनहिल. So downhill it's not that much hard, but अब समझ आ रहा है कि जो डाउनहिल जो हम बेसिकली अपहिल गए थे वो कितना ट्रेचरस था और कितना ज़्यादा एग्जॉस्टिंग था. अब समझ आ रहा है जब हम अब नीचे उतर रहे हैं कि बेसिकली हाउ टफ द टेरेन इज़. वी आर ऑल एग्जॉस्टेड, माई फ्रेंड्स एंड मी. वी जस्ट वांट टू गो होम. बहुत हो गया, बस अब नहीं. So yeah, this is something that is going to be in my and in my friends' memory forever. This is something that you cannot experience every day. और बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग और थ्रिलिंग एक्सपीरियंस रहा है हमारा गंगबल का, नुनकुल का, जो ट्विन लेक्स हैं. So if anybody wants to visit, surely they can, but उनके लिए जो स्टेमिना है और जो एंड्योरेंस है तो वो बहुत तगड़ा होना चाहिए, बहुत ही ज़्यादा तगड़ा. This is not an easy task. So yeah, finally we are back, and ऊपर वाले का शुक्रिया जो हम सही सलामत पहुँचे हैं बहुत ज़्यादा. So yeah, thanks a lot, and we will see you in another vlog video. So till that, take care buddies, bye.